Hello friends, Norman here with My PrepSupply, and I hope you're just having a very joyous holiday season. Today I want to introduce you to our very first product, and hot off the press here, this is our 100-piece Mylar Bag Starter Kit. And what do you get in this kit? Well, let me show you. You'll be getting 35 1-gallon bags, and these bags are excellent for storing food items like rice, beans. I even have spaghetti that I keep stored, various packets of spaghetti that I have in these bags, and they're excellent for preserving your food for long-term storage. You also get 40 of these 1-quart size bags. And just to show you an example, I have a bag here of lentils that I packaged back in October. And you can see that it's airtight. The oxygen has been taken out, or absorbed rather, by the oxygen absorbers. But you get 40 of these quart-size bags. Also, you get 25 of these 1.5 pint size bags, and these are great for storing things like salt, or you can store peppercorn. Just pour the peppercorns in there, put your oxygen absorber in there, and seal it and put it away until you need it. So anyhow, excellent little bag here. Also, you get 100 oxygen absorbers, and these are 300 cc's, and these are great for taking out all the oxygen after you put your contents into the bags and sealing the bags. You can see here, I'll show this to you, you can see how there are dimples on the lentil bag, and that basically what happened was the oxygen was just absorbed by these things. These things are excellent. So also what you get with the kit are 100 labels. And you want to label your Mylar bags just so that you'll know what you have in there, when you store them, and how much of whatever contents are in the bag. So you get 100 of these. Folks, go to www.myprepsupply and order your starter kit today. Again, I want to remind you to always do what's right, be merciful, and be humble. Happy holidays, folks.